hire as a verb to employ someone. Example 1. The company plan to hire new worker next month. Example 2. She was hired as a teacher. 3. They want to hire a skilled engineer. 4. He is looking for a company to hire him. Hire as a verb to rent or pay to use something. Hire placing. Example A. We hire a car for our trip. B. C. Hire a bike to explore the city. C. They hire a boat for the day. D. I will hire a camera for the wedding. E. He hires some tool to fix the house. Hire as a noun. Hire meaning payment for using something or a person you hire. Example, the car is available for hire. 2. What is the hire cost of this machine? 3. This place offer bike for hire. More example. Number 4. The hire of a driver is included in the price. 4. Come on free with hire. Hire someone full-time or part-time. Hire a driver. Hire cleaner. Hire teacher. 4. Hire available to rent or work. Example A. He worked as a driver for hire. B. The company will hire more staff soon. C. This equipment is for hire.